At the Astellas plant in Killorglin, we manufacture life-saving immunosuppressant drugs for organ transplant patients. I work as a project engineer in the PTG Project Technology Group at Astellas in Killorglin, County Kerry. I liked maths in school, so when I first went to third level, I studied business and accountancy in Dublin. I realised this was not the path for me. I switched to an engineering technology course in MTU, as I knew there were plenty of career opportunities in this area, and I haven't looked back. There is no such thing as a typical day working as a project engineer. One day you could be executing a validation protocol on a system, and the next you could be doing a risk assessment or running a workshop. Every day is different. Last year, I was a co-author with the Biopharmachem Ireland Industry Group of professionals on a peer-reviewed published paper. Being an engineer doesn't just involve technical knowledge and applying it. It involves working with people to solve problems and to get projects done. So being a people person and working well as part of a team is vital. Every project is different, and you get to interact with people in all areas of the plant and at all levels within the organisation. At the end of the day, the work of a project engineer in Astellas involves implementing change to bring benefits to the business in terms of efficiency, business continuity, digital and technical maturity, but the most important thing we do is to ensure that our systems and equipment are commissioned and validated to assure that the life-saving products we make are safe, efficacious and of the highest quality for patient safety. My name is Siobhan Griffin and I've been working in the pharmaceutical industry for 12 years.